Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make an aesthetic Google slide. So let's go to the browser and right here Google Slides. Go to Google Slides. After that, you can see here blank. Click on this. Then let's start working. Just remove these boxes by clicking on backspace. Now let's add go here, shape like this. I'm choosing rectangles and I want to color these rectangles like beautiful things. Going here, choosing any color like here is the color. Okay, not this color isn't good. This color is fair, I think. So I'm making it here. Looks good. Going shapes again. Clicking, making another box inside. Giving it another color. Sorry, not this. Like this, and okay, I'm making another box. Going here, shape. Sorry, not this. And you have to write here like I'm doing Arial. Sorry, not Arial, border dash, border special. Then making full so it's visible. White. I'm just writing here, please subscribe. Okay, I'm making this bold so easily traceable. Nice. So the second thing you can do is another one, deleting this backspace by clicking backspace. Shapes, rectangles, making a box and color. Okay, this color isn't bad. So this looks good. Making another. Making it another color like this color would be good. Okay, going back here, call outs. Just choosing this one. This is a big good note for it, and I can change it down the color so it looks good. Pinkish, not this. This one doesn't look good. Fair enough. So this color would be fine, I think. Now I'm gonna change these border things by going here. This would be good. Okay, looks different. Now I can write something here like please. Okay, I'm choosing another font that would look good. This one. Please subscribe channel. So it may look good if it's in the middle, and if the font size is big, that will be traceable. Okay, now if you want to add something here, you can add like YouTube like, comment, subscribe. Okay, so making another, let's try. Okay, same shape, coloring it. So let's try this one. Taking another, choosing color, okay. Now, or we can use another shape, like this shape isn't too good. Going shapes, shapes is good, I think. Yeah, looks cute. So now I'm making it and different things like this. This will be good. 2, 3, maybe perfect. Now I'm going here, callouts or equation plus. You can make a plus here. Going back again, equation minus. Then again into back here, callouts, equations, this thing should be like this, and you can color it by going here, sorry, color it. Again I'm going equations is equal to same thing gonna do. Okay, so making things like this. The last one. Okay, I'm gonna write here, double click, but all colors the same is not good. I'm changing colors. Okay, now just double click and right here, it's mathematics. Okay, you can just double click and increase the font size. You can change the font size like this. Okay guys, so this is how you can make an aesthetic Google slide. Okay guys, so if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.